I just experienced a real issue with laundry stuff and washing machines. I put in my clothes to wash them, started the machine, um, it started the countdown, and I came back after those 35 minutes when it should have finished the washing, and this machine still didn't have started it. The doors are locked, I'm not able to get my clothes out. The people say that this machine should unlock itself after 2 hours. Otherwise, yeah, it seems that I have now only those clothes that I have. Um, I don't have anything else to wear now. That's so those washing machines for student accommodation can fail sometimes. I need to go to university to film my student project, but I just came in to look if I can take my clothes out, and I still can't, but it looks like it has started to wash my clothes, and it kind of has freezed now on 7th minute, and nothing happens on the 7th minute, so something is really wrong with that machine, and still I can't get my clothes.